Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khairi, and we from Group 12. We will talk about ethylene and propylene as glycol as antifreeze agent in car coolant. Firstly, we met our team members. First, me itself, Muhammad Khairi. Next is Muhammad Yusuf Hakim. Next is Muhammad Ashtar Ridwan. Next is Muhammad Zakir Aiman, and lastly Khaliful Iman Taqwallah. Next we will show you some video about a car. Hope you happy to see that.
You told me you love me, you gave up on me. Little did I know, I thought you loved me. Oh no. Let's talk about us. Let's talk about trust. Let's talk about you and me. Baby, you and me. Let's talk about us. Let's talk about trust. Let's talk about you and me. Baby, you and me. Sitting in a room, I'm thinking about me and you. What could have been? All I do is see you from across.
What the use of that? Like we see on the picture on my right side. Think of where you might have seen this product outside the classroom. What is ethylene and propylene glycol? Ethylene, glycol, and propylene glycol was one of the agents that used as antifreeze agent, especially in coolant of car or any coolant in the world. If this agent does not have a coolant, this will become disaster to the user of the coolant. For the example, like we saw on the first video, car will tend to overheat, and if you use a PC that use a coolant as a heat dispersion, your PC will also tend to overheat because the coolant will start to freeze and block the radiator flow inside the radiator cooler. This antifreeze also prevents the ice crystal formation on hose of the radiator. The IUPAC name for ethylene glycol, the IUPAC name itself was ethane 1,2-diol, is an organic compound or a vicinal diol with a formula CH2OH2. It is mainly used for two purposes: as a raw material in manufacture of polyester fiber and for antifreeze formulation. IUPAC name for propylene is propane 1,2-diol. It's a viscous, colorless liquid, which means nearly odorless, but possesses a fairly sweet taste. Its chemical formula is CH3CH OH CH2OH. As it contains two alcohol groups, it is classed as a diol.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hakim, and I'm going to talk about physical and chemical properties of ethylene glycol. So, as we know, ethylene glycol is the most common type of antifreeze used in coffee. It is a diol, which means it has two hydroxyl groups bonded into a hydrocarbon chain. This structure gives ethylene glycol its unique properties, including a low freezing point and high boiling point. These properties is essential for an antifreeze agent, as they prevent the coolant from freezing in the cold weather or boiling over hot weather or high temperature. And this is the physical and chemical properties of propylene glycol. As we know, propylene glycol is less common type of antifreeze, but it becomes increasingly popular due to its low toxicity. So, it is safe for environment. It is also a diol, but with a different structure than ethylene glycol. This difference in structure results in low freezing point and slightly lower boiling point for propylene glycol. However, propylene glycol is still effective at preventing coolant from freezing and boiling over in most climates.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ezekiel Aiman Zaini, and right now I'm going to talk about benefits and use of ethylene glycol. There's a lot of benefits and use of ethylene glycol, such as low freezing point, high boiling point, heat transfer, corrosion protection, and many more. Okay, first, low freezing point. Low freezing point is prevent coolant from freezing and damaging the engine block. Second, high boiling point. High boiling point prevents coolant from boiling over and creating a steam pocket in engine. Other than that is heat transfer. Ethylene glycol has a good heat transfer properties, helping to keep engine cool. And last, corrosion protection. Many coolants contain additives that protect engine from corrosion.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Kolikul Iman Taqwallah bin Qaul bin Taqwallah. So from me, I will tell about benefits and use of propylene glycol. First, low toxicity. Propylene is less toxic, making it safer choice if for applications such as in food processing, equipment or around the pet. Second, propylene glycol is biodegradable. Propylene is readily biodegradable, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Second, food grade application. Propylene is approved by the FDA for use in some food and beverages. So from all this explanation, we can make a conclusion that propylene and glycol is mostly used in food and beverages production. Propylene glycol is also used in various edible items such as coffee-based drinks, liquid sweeteners, ice cream, whipped dairy products, and soda. Vaporizers used for delivery of pharmaceuticals or personal care products often include propylene glycol among the ingredients. In alcohol-based hand sanitizer too, it is used as a human take to prevent the skin from drying. Propylene glycol is used as a solvent in many pharmaceuticals, including oral injectable and topical formulation. So, other than food and beverages production, it also used in many pharmaceuticals products, such as hand sanitizer or any other medical equipment. So that's all from me. We can go through to second slide. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Tawir Rudwan. I here to explain about chemical reaction of ethylene glycol. You can see the picture of reaction of ethylene glycol. The combustion of ethylene glycol carry air with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water and heat. For chemical reaction of propylene glycol, you can see the picture of reaction of propylene glycol. Dehydration of propylene glycol can undergo dehydration reaction to produce various products such as ethylene, a pungent irritating chemical. For conclusion, we can say that ethylene glycol and propylene glycol are most effective antifreeze agent for car coolant. Ethylene glycol offer a lower cost and good heat transfer properties. Propylene glycol is a safer choice due to its lower toxicity and biodegradability. The best choice for your car depends on your individual needs and preferences. Thank you.
Can't you see? Feeling so defeat. Baby, stop calling me. Just let it be. Can't you see? Everything was just a dream. Let's talk about you and me. Thought I was free. You told me you love me, you gave up on me. Little did I know, I thought you loved me. Oh no. Let's talk about